Hi, my name is Penny, and we're going to be talking about leads in Workamajig. Now, leads are a place under the salesperson component where we can see what kind of new leads we might have in our system. Leads might come in from a variety of places. You can import a lead list in. You could absolutely key a lead in if someone rings you up on the phone. But we also have a conversion, so if you have a contact us form on your regular marketing website, we can have that populate into your leads in Workamajig. Now, a lead is considered to be an unqualified person or company. When we have information on a lead, we don't know. Are they a real person? Is it a real company? Would they be a good fit for our firm? And so until that happens, we're going to keep them in the lead area and work on that. So when we have the information, we might have name, we might have phone number, we might have email. We may then be branching out into more information about their company. And once we get to the point where we are communicating, and that could be with simple notes from that phone call, that could be from email communication that we can track in the system. We might also be then, of course, setting up follow-ups. If we had that conversation and we need to follow up with more information before we can convert them, we want to make sure that that doesn't fall through the cracks. Ultimately, though, once we have decided, yeah, this is a great lead, we're going to move forward and they want to start a new opportunity. I'm going to convert that lead forward, and that will automatically remove the information from the lead area and convert it into being a new contact record. It also could convert it into a company record, or if I hadn't created one yet, I can do so right at this time. And then I also can tell the system that, yep, we're going to create an opportunity for them because they would like us to do a new website for them. So I'm going to create all of it at once. I don't want to rekey information. I certainly don't want to create 3 records. So once that lead has been confirmed, I can move it forward into the system and convert it into the contact record, the company record, and the potential new opportunity all at once.